Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RSI Stoch DMI Stoch indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI Stoch DMI Stoch indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 37 different strategies, with 10 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 456 indicators, with 189 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind, we test all these indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any other market. Forex, crypto, regular stock market, whatever you have it, you can pretty much use it on. So, all right, back to the indicator here. So it is the RSI Stoch DMI Stoch indicator. And of course you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so it looks rather complicated at first glance, but it is actually extremely easy. What we are looking for are these arrows right here. Maybe we can change these arrows to a different color. Maybe we can make them stand out a little bit more. There we go. If we do that, put them in black, then they pop out just a tad bit more. But basically what we are looking for is these arrows right here. When we pick up an arrow to the bottom, like this one pointing up, then we are going to go long. When we pick up one that is above here pointing down, then we are going to go short. Not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so right here we pick up first signal. It's going to be a short signal. It's still being played out here. Let's just double check. We have not hit our stop. We have not stayed within our stop at this point. Let's go ahead and play it forward and see what happens. All right, so and you see there that we got to take profit rather easily. getting us a winning signal there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up the second signal right here. It's going to be a signal to the long side. You can see me jump back there just a few candles. I just wanted to be sure that these little arrows, each one was actually being displayed at the close of that candle right there and not maybe a couple candles later, something like that. So I tested it once before. I just wanted to be sure on this one here as well. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what happens. All right, that one right there just barely missed our take profit. I mean, by less than 5 pips basically, and then price rolled over, took a dump to the downside there, which did get us stopped out. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the video. That way things will get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that will put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, taking trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as our win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and that shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those strategies. And one new thing that we've been doing here recently is our admin Rob has been posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners. These are his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. And as he gets an alert to his scanner, he will post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. So there's a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and a lot of the patrons will agree. A lot of the regular members of the channel will also agree as well. You can see it in the conversations. There's tons of value in being a patron, so highly recommend it. Really great stuff. All right, let's get everything crunched in here so that way we can count these out and see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 trades or 9 signals all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. And so it was able to meet the 60% criteria. It just kind of barely edged it out there. I wish it gave more trades in 1 year's time. And it did seem like there were times where it didn't quite catch the bottom or the top of the move, kind of just threw out a signal kind of randomly in the middle of a move. And so, but all in all, it did pretty solid. I'm curious to see what this would do on a lower time frame. If it'd be able to maintain a reasonable win rate on a lower time frame, that would be interesting to see. But for now, it is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.